हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम करने वाले हैं कैलाश चंद्रा मैगजीन में से एक्सरसाइज नंबर 292। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। आई नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन ऑफ द रोल ऑफ द प्लानिंग कमीशन because this aspect has been brought up repeatedly in the course of the debate, and it is important that we should be clear about it. Stop. Just a few minutes ago, the question of implementation of the plan was referred to by one honorable member. Stop. It is natural to speak about the planning commission, but it has been mentioned in the wrong context, that is in the context of implementation. Stop. So far as getting the blame for itself is concerned, I do not think the planning commission should resent it. Stop. As the Honorable Home Minister pointed out, the 10th 5-year plan succeeded very well, and everybody, including the Planning Commission, the government, the states, and the people, contributed to its success. Stop. But there was one part of that success for which the Planning Commission did not deserve so much credit, and that was in regard to the easier position regarding food supplies. Stop. The principal credit for that should go to nature. Stop. Yet the Planning Commission got the praise for it, which was not correct. Stop. Now we are beset with certain difficulties which have slowed down the progress of the plan, difficulties for which nature is mainly responsible, and others for which the international situation is responsible. Stop. The Planning Commission had no control over the circumstances which gave rise to such difficulties. Stop. But there is a general tendency to link up anything that happens to the plan with the Planning Commission. Stop. Let it be very clearly understood that the Planning Commission has a certain set of functions to perform. Stop. It has specific terms of reference. Stop. There is a misapprehension which seems to be fairly widespread that the Planning Commission has the responsibility for the execution of the plan schemes. Stop. This is not true. Stop. The Planning Commission no doubt makes an assessment of the resources, determines priorities, formulates the plan, and reports on its progress from time to time. Stop. But its functions are always advisory, never executive. Stop. The Planning Commission stands outside the field of execution. Stop. I do not disclaim responsibility for anything that goes wrong with the plan or for any failure, because I stand here not only on behalf of the Planning Commission alone, but also on behalf of the Government of India. Stop. Therefore, if anything has gone wrong, we are responsible for it and nobody else. Stop.